Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bead unboxing for the Dollar Bead box, but this is for the month of September. I'm a little behind. They sent me the box late, and then we had the hurricane down here in Florida and everything, so I'm a little behind on my bead unboxings, but I still wanted to do it so that way when you see what I made from it, you'll see the beads. So if you watch any other beaders, I'm sure you've already seen this box. So, this is the box. So here I do subscribe to the 3mm strands and the 4mm strands. For $8 more, you get 8 strands. So they're $1 a strand, and their fire polish beads are absolutely gorgeous. So let's start with these. Oh, I keep bumping my camera. Oh, these are so beautiful. So let's see, these are 4mm, and these are 3mm. Or those 4, these are the 3s. So let's start with 3mm strand, crystal silver, lined AB. So that's this one right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the sparkle in these. Next is crystal copper lined. Okay, I think that's what this one is. That's how pretty. These are such well-made beads too. I mean, you can't beat this for the price. These are $1 a strand, and they're very well made. Crystal Copper Maria. I think that's how you pronounce it. So here's these. So pretty. Like half the bead is see-through and half of it's covered, so it's just absolutely gorgeous. And the last one is Siam. This is just really bright red. So pretty. So, now for the 4mm strands, we have the crystal silver lined AB, just like the 3mm strand. So if you're working on a project, you can have, you have both sizes. Then next is crystal copper lined, just like the 3mm. So we have 2 of each. So that's so pretty. The next is crystal copper. Oh gosh, so pretty. Crystal copper Maria. Yeah, so it's the 3 and the 4mm. Which is great, because if you're working on something and you need a different size. And the last one is the green gold lined Maria. So pretty. And the Dollar Bead Bag subscribers can reorder September items through October. So if you like any of these, you could order 10 of these for $10. You know, you can order as many as you want. So there we have that. Let me get set up on my next one. Okay, so I got everything set. So we're starting with the... Wait a minute. Oh, so this is the 3mm Czechless Druck in Jet 50 pieces. Very pretty. And then the 12 by 12mm Czechless hexagon pyramid in matte crystal, 25 pieces. And it's got the hole is, it's a 2-hole thing, so you can see there's an extra hole right there, so you could get it to lay flat like that if you wanted to. Okay, and this is the 4mm Czechless Druck wait a minute, I'm off here. Oh. 4mm Czechless Druck in crystal, 50 pieces. And these are so versatile, they go with everything. Very pretty. And the next is a 5x13mm Czechless spike and jet luster, 25 pieces. So pretty. These make really cool like necklaces, you know, like spike necklaces. And next is the 6mm Czech fire polish jet hematite or jet green iris, 25 pieces. So this is the jet hematite. So pretty. And last but not least for this 4mm Czechless cube alabaster with green lavender Picasso, 35 pieces. And I don't know if you can actually see the detail in these beads because they're tiny, and I'm trying to hold them as close to the camera as I can, but these are so pretty. They give off a beautiful sheen. You see like a little bit of a lavender, you know, but you can see the Picasso finish on there. So pretty. Now next is Czechless Squishy Saucer AB beads, 8mm, 10 pieces. So pretty. Next is 11x17mm Czechless cat, black with silver wash. And these are so cute because this is the back and that's the front. So they actually have a backing. So, you know, depending how you use them, you have a back and a front. Number 3 is 14x22mm Czechless 2-hole pillow rectangle, either steel blue with jet travertine or sage with jet travertine. I think this is the steel blue. And there's the 2 holes up at the top. So you could use this for a lot. You could bead around that if that's what you like to do. The next is 12x16mm Czech glass cabochon, black with confetti. I absolutely love these. I haven't used any of mine yet, but I do have an idea for these. So very pretty, very well made. Next is the 5x7mm Czech star cut crystal and jet blue iris, 6 pieces. Very pretty. So much sparkle. The next is 6mm Czech fire polish and crystal, 25 pieces. So pretty. You can use these these are so versatile. You can use these for anything. This can go with any color. That's what's nice to get these, and they put these in a box. Next is 16mm Czechless ammonite, jet black, 2 pieces. Very pretty shells. Very pretty. Next is 8mm pewter diamond spacers and antique brass, 12 of them. Very nice. Next is 12x14mm Czechless butterfly, navy with silver wash. These are so pretty. I got these, when we got these a couple months ago, I used these to make a pair of my hoop dangle earrings, and these were up at the top, and they turned out so pretty. So next is a 6mm Czechless heart in jet. And there's 10 pieces. So pretty. I love that they give you, you know, some matte and some dangle. They give you a little bit of everything. And 8mm Czechless flower button purple iris. Now the hole goes this way. So if you could see, it goes through there. It doesn't go through the center. So you could you know, put it somewhere and you could show that. But they're so pretty. And next is the 22 by 24 Brass Dragonfly one piece. And it's double-sided. It's even got little eyeballs on it. Now that's detail for you. And last but not least, 8 by 8 millimeter Czechless squares, blue with travertine. They're one hole. Oh, these are so pretty. They have like a Picasso finish around the sides, it looks like. So pretty. This is such a pretty box. Such a pretty box. I'm not sure what my favorite was. I kind of like the cats. The kitties. I always love. I use these up as I get them. I love these. So I will leave a link below to the dollar bead box. So if you're interested in the subscription, you can find it below. I also have links to my Etsy, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Pinterest accounts if you want to follow me in there. And if you're not following me, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope you enjoyed this bead unboxing, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye-bye.